Welcome back to the Refoundry tutorial series. In this video, we'll look at the heading levels and styles and how to transform content blocks without re-entering text. I'll start by adding a heading block. From the block settings, I can change the heading level. I'll also center align the heading. Now let's say I want to change how the heading looks without changing the heading level. I can do that by going into the heading menu and selecting Refoundry text styles. Then I can choose the style I want without affecting the heading level. I can also change the color or apply bold or italic styling to specific words. Next, I'll add a paragraph block. I can then transform it into a heading and back to a paragraph, without having to retype the text. I can also transform it into a list. Then I can switch the list from bullet points to numbered formatting, and also indent the second item, placing it under the first item. If needed, I can transform the entire list back into a paragraph again. And then change the paragraph into a heading, while keeping the content intact. This allows you to make structural changes without re-entering content, helping reduce repetitive work and save time.